Alright. I'm gonna go fight the king slime.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
With a yo-yo?
Nifty platform.
You got your royal gel on?
Yep. Can the king slime hurt us with the royal gel?
Oh yeah, yeah. He'll hurt you. We could.
Distinct got shot straight in the head again. Distinct, you're getting wrecked.
I would just make that. I would just like hack that so he'll always lose forever.
He's gonna teleport up to you.
He's thinking about it. He might jump on the platform. Alright, he didn't jump high enough. King Slime, he's got a crown. He drops his crown and teleports away. And somehow gets born another crown.
I really don't get that. It's so weird.
Oh yeah, you see this. Like put the debuff on him and then switch. Here, I'll sacrifice a bunny to him. Oh! Come on. Come on. Please. Please leave us in peace. Oh! How about a squirrel? You take a squirrel? No? Oh, you killed the squirrel. The squirrel. Now he's more angry than he was before.
Couldn't get the squirrel, so...
That'd be hilarious. Like, that'd be an Easter egg. You like sacrifice small critters to him, and he leaves you alone or something.
I like how if we don't hit them, they just kind of like wander off.
They're our friends.
Back here. Die. It's like the cheesiest fight ever.
Congratulations.
It's even more cheesy than it used to be.
Yeah, right. At least you used to have to build something on the fly most of the time.
Slime trophy! Oh. Apparently the spiked slimes.
The spiked ones are still not friends?
Definitely angry. Alright, I got a couple more. Change this up a bit so the slimes can't run away. You're not allowed to leave. Got the saddle too, yes.
Nice.
And the helmet. Now I got the full.
Yeah, I got the full
set.
Monty too. Set bonus, just don't consume ammo. Okay, or 33%. Did you already have a hook?
No.
You have a slime hook? No, you don't. No, you do.
Yeah, slime hook.
Whoa!
Oh,
Hi, hi, guy.
He was mad. Being so far away. I'm being mad.
I can't believe you used all our gold on this.
What? What else are we gonna use? We got platinum bows, enchanted swords, and spears.
I don't have a hammer yet.
Oh boy. The hammer. Go fish in the cave. Get some armored cave fish and a clubber fish.
That's true.
What are you what-thing about, Badger? Summons? You what-thing about the King Slime? We need money.
Hacks. It's hacks,
Money.
Badger.
I found 3 rubies while I was sticking around, so I made 3
It's
slime
hacks.
cards.
Shh, it's hacks.
No, we got an advertiser in your channel.
Follow my gaming. Look, I couldn't even read it. Someone.
Instagram.
I bet it was Badger. I wanted to read it.
Post daily.
I post daily.
We just started yesterday, so we only have like 5 posts. But like I said, we do post daily. I have more than 1 post.
I'm glad my channel's like big enough so that like people come here to try to get views. I love it.
So rude. So rude.
What is that? Oh, he dropped a wormhole potion.
Can I jump on the king slime with my slime? No.
Probably. You have a horseshoe too, don't you?
Yeah.
You're Goomba and the Goomba.
Oh god. No.
We got bored. This is how we died. You alright? Taking some damage?
I want to risk it. I'm coming back up here.
Learn to Mario. Whoa, come on, buddy. Oh, I took one. Alright. Alright, enough. I can't reach. What is this? Who made this thing? Ah! God damn it!
Yeah.
No! 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 So stupid! So stupid! God!
That's why I went back up. You didn't call nothing to stink. Get out of here. Go home.
I'm afraid that it's gonna have to go up on YouTube. I'm afraid that's gonna have to go up on YouTube. Look at.
Look at he's still killing you. Just to let you know. Just
I don't
in
see.
case you are dead enough.
It doesn't show it on my screen, or it's.
It's still spreading.
This is the stupidest death I've ever seen. I do like how you came down and tried to help, though. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, I pretty much knew it was gonna be the end, though. So.